We've started our engagement for our art installation in Berwick Hospital with a number of sessions throughout Berwick. So we have been to the library, we have been on a stall in the High Street, we've been into a community centre and Berwick Academy with the young people there, and we're over in the hospital speaking to staff as well. And we have come in contact with such a wide range of people, from sort of school age and toddlers in the library up to an amazing 94-year-old woman that we met who was also an artist. So we've heard some incredible stories and really got a sense of what it means to the people of Berwick. So it's been really great in the creative workshops to see how lots of different groups and ages have responded to the ideas and the design that we've proposed. So we have young people kind of creating their own designs on kind of pattern making and mark making and kind of using lots of different colours. We've had a bit older people talking about, you know, the history of Berwick and how they've kept artwork from their ancestors and how they've kind of talked to us about, you know, the fishing industry and the salmon industry and the nature and kind of how their coastal location, kind of what that means to them. So everybody's had a different response, and it's really kind of prompted conversations about people's own practice and what art means to them.
I've taught art for a few years, and what students kind of struggle with is that idea of, well, how would you make a living as being an artist, and that it's not just making a painting and selling it for a lot of money. So these types of activities are really useful for giving a little bit more context to the real life of an artist, and particularly when it's public artwork and they can understand a bit more about the process of how it's inspired, how it's come about. I think we really hope that they have a connection to the hospital, and when they're using the services that are within that they'll be able to talk to their friends and family about the process of public art and how it comes to be and how it's connected to their community. Just feel like they are part of it.
I think it'll have a positive impact. I've had a look at the fish and its impacts with Berwick. So I think it's going to be a real nice impact coming into the hospital. If people feel better, they heal quicker and they feel great in themselves. And so does the staff if they see a nice bit of artwork instead of a blank canvas, as we say.
And the better the staff feel, the better outcome patients are going to have, and it's got a positive impact on everybody.
People have responded really well. I think the quality of the conversations has been excellent. We've been able to spend quite a lot of time with people. You know, we had one lady who spent, you know, an hour and a half with us, kind of working on the practical tasks with us and having really quite rich conversations with us about the work and about our thinking and about her experiences, you know, in and around Berwick. Yeah, we're really excited for how it's moving, and we're looking forward to sharing that with everyone over the next few months.